Y'all see it? You guys see this? Yeah. We got it on. Gotta tighten it up though. I don't know what happened to this little piece right here. It's gone. This one is on here, so I gotta get this piece right here. Little piece to go over there. Gotta get that. And we have these. I think they're back there in the trunk. Yeah. I think they're in the trunk back here somewhere. So gotta put those on as well. You see? And we'll be good. This truck will be, well, it won't be completely complete, but gotta fix that back door back there. Gotta see how we can fix that, and then we'll be good. You see, we just gotta see how we fix that, and then we'll be good. We'll be good. No, you see, we'll be good. I think we're missing some of these things right here. I might have to go to AutoZone to get a few more of these. Yeah. AutoZone, get a few more of those. We need 1, 2. We don't need 2. Yeah. Yep, so that's what we need to do. Why is this poking out right here? Why does it feel rough? I feel like it's hard to go up. It has to go up easily, shouldn't have to be forced up, you know? No? Shouldn't have to be forced up, but all the screw holes line up. Not screws, but them little fasteners, all the holes line up, so shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, we need the same screw. 1, 2. Both sides needs 2. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, I tell you. It's kind of weird. Well, glad we almost done with this. Move on to the next, which would be that cruise. Yeah. It'll be that 2013 Cruise. I'm gonna start on it. Let's see. So we're heading there. We're doing good. We're doing good. But I gotta see where my stuff at for this right here, for these. So let's do that. Alright guys, let's get this thing tightened on here. I already got most of them done. What is this one doing? This one acting crazy, guys. Let's see. Why is this one acting crazy? Why is this one not working? Why is it not going in? Okay, let's see. I think that's it. Let's see. Wait a minute. World, what's going on here, guys? I don't know. I'll tell you what. It's too small. That's what's going on. Too small. Okay. Wait a minute. I had. I need me some new tools, guys. I tell you, I need me a toolbox where stuff can be in the box. Yeah. You see? So it can be in a box. Because I know it's either these or these small ones. I think it's the small ones that go on the side. Yeah. I think it is. I think it's the real small one, but guess what? Guess what? I will. These big ones fit. Guess what? They go in there. If the big ones fit, they go in there. Let's see. Guess what? The big ones fit. They're going there. No, they are going there. Now, turn the wheels back this way. Okay. Now, we need to get this on here. What's up in there, man? Why does it feel so rough? That shouldn't feel that way. I don't like it. You see? I don't like that at all. Look at that. He's right. Did I screw something up? It's kind of look like I did. I don't know. This shouldn't be this rough right here. Shouldn't be hard to push on that. This should be really easy to move. Let's see. Where is Let's just check this thing out. See. See if got this on wrong right here. So, oh, Lord, I tell you, I hate to do this, but I don't like when things not right. It just seems like it's not right, you know? It just seems like it's not right. Yeah. Just seems like it's not right. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. That looks right. Okay. Now. Lord. Alright, guys. Be right back. Gotta do this with both hands. Okay, guys. This is all we're gonna do to the truck right now. Until we put it on the road, test it out, and see if we got any other problems. Yeah, but I finished it up. Got the little caps on down here. Yeah, got those on. Got everything wrapped up, tied up, both sides. Yeah, you see that, right? Yeah, you see it. You see it. So now it's basically time to take it for a drive, but I'm not taking it for a drive right now because I gotta get the sucker registered. You see? Now I gotta get the title and everything. Title work taken care of. You see? That's what I gotta get taken care of now. The title. The title work. Yeah. But that's all for right now. But I still gotta figure this out, but I'm not. Right now I gotta see everything else work good and everything, then we'll handle this back here. So I guess we're not all the way done yet. Yeah. We're not all the way done because we gotta get this stuff put back on. Gotta clean out of here. So yeah, we're not all the way done yet. Not all the way. But we're almost there. We're roadworthy now, I think. Yeah, you see, we are roadworthy now, guys. Now we can take this thing on the road. At least drive around town with it. See everything, if everything goes right, smooth, then we know we're good. Then I'll finish everything back up, and that'll be that. You see? It's a little piece that's supposed to go here. I gotta do that. This over here is on, but it's not on right. Yeah. Yeah, that goes like that. What's going on with this thing? I gotta get that taken care of, guys. But this is the end of this video, guys. We're about there. It's about over. This thing is now roadworthy. It can get on the road now. With 56,000 miles, it should be able to go anywhere right now, right? But we'll know that once we get it on the road. Hopefully, usually when you get things like this, it's a process. You just don't get on the road and you be good. Yeah, you see? It don't be like that, right? You get it on the road, might run hot, something like that might happen. You see? So that's what I'm hoping for it not to do that. But if it does that, I'm expecting it. So I'm okay with that. So guys, that's the end of this one. We'll see you again when we're back in the yard. We really need to start on this thing. Needs a new transmission, and it needs some kind of work up front because I can't get those fenders on. So I think the frame need to get pulled down. Okay guys, peace.